Hey! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Start by going into settings and scrolling down. Now choose app management and go into permission manager. Pick one of your phone's features like location and select one of your apps. I will go with maps. So now I have all of those options. I have to click on one of them. Allow all the time, allow only by using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back I can see that Maps gained access to this device location. But you can also click on one of your apps, select see all Google's permissions over here and manage all of those permissions for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!